Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you the Bakflip MX4 cover for 2020 plus Ram DT models. This is the 1500 Ram Rebel. Excuse the dirt, haven't washed the truck in a while. So this cover is made out of aluminum with a nice matte coating that doesn't scratch easily. I've had ice covered all along here and I hit it with a scraper. As you can see, there's no scratches on the cover yet. This is my second cover for this truck. First one was a different brand, and things I've noticed about Bakflip is that the material they use is quite nice and everything's holding up so far. Previous one, once I fold the cover up, this part would crack. Like there would literally be a physical crack in the rubber alongside here, caused leaks. The plastic clip holder here was broken on the previous one. This one feels extremely solid, and there's 4 end caps on each side of the cover at the end, so the rubber strip doesn't peel up, which happened on the other one as well. This cover was only $500 more than the other one I paid, and this cover was around $1,500, I believe. So let me show you the back here. A thing I like about this cover is that you could open and close the tailgate first, because there's a rubber seal along the edge here. So that's a bonus. You don't have to close your tailgate before you close the cover. Let me hop on the tailgate here and show you what the mechanics look like. So as with any other cover, you just pull the string and lift up. Here's the rubber seal that touches the tailgate. It's quite soft and the material seems pretty good. There's foam padding here, so when it sits on the next cover it won't scratch. Padding all along the way. The steel cable is covered with a plastic coating. My previous one didn't have it, and there would be like metal strips coming off it, which pokes your hand when you grab it. And the string even fell off, so I had to take off the screws to get it fixed. Whereas this one feels quite solid. Nothing's rusting yet. And I live up in Canada, so that's a bonus. So as you can see, when you pull the string, it pulls the clip back, so you can lift it up. And that's the same for both sides. There's a string on each side for access. Let me fold another part of the cover so you can see. So once you fold the second part, there's a clip that you could adjust to lock it into place for both sides. So when you're on the highway and stuff, it won't fly back over and hit whatever you got in the back here. Here's a close-up of the rubber. It's very soft and resilient. All the aluminum is cut quite well for a truck. You know, there's little gaps and stuff, but as long as it holds on, I ain't complaining. So let's fold it up one more time. Gets a little bit heavy when you get to the last one. There's rubber padding all along here, so when you rest it up against your truck window, you're not going to scratch it or anything. This is the first time I've opened it all the way up, actually. And you get a nice little branding here, Bakflip. Same mechanics of opening, but however the last one, you have a tab here that you could take this little rod and support it like that. Turn it, lock it into place for both sides, and now the cover won't drop down and hit your ATV or something when you're on the highway. Very easy to use, quite solid. And bonus points for this cover is that when you put these locks in their place, they actually stay there. For my previous cover, the rod here would just fall down and scratch this part, where it would make noise. It'd be like that for no reason. So this one's got a revised and well engineered support holder, because I never opened this all the way up and it's still in place, so you know it's quite solid. So to close it, you could just slam it, or what I like to do, I just pull the string and then let it sit in place. I like to take care of my stuff, so I feel like that it would last longer if I was to pull the string and let it sit into place. You could slam it too if you want, because it is a truck. It's pretty tough, but I like to take care of my things, so you just drop it into place. It's got a satisfying click. Feels like it's high quality. Let me show you that you could close the tailgate before you close the bed as well. Bed cover, so close that up. So the previous one I had to close the tailgate before I could close this. However, this one you could do either or. It's got a nice seal, no gaps. It's quite waterproof. I wouldn't say it's 100% waterproof, but whatever I had in there stayed dry. And yeah, I'm very happy with this cover. If you're thinking of getting the Bakflip MX4 for your Ram, I'd say go ahead. If you want something that's reliable, looks like it's well built, and once you buy it, you forget about it, this is definitely the way to go, because the previous one I had was nothing but trouble. So Bakflip is a go. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.